proceso vamos a estar en vivo en YouTube. Y yo soy tu intérprete.
Okay.
So now
Live on YouTube, I'm your interpreter.
And we are on YouTube Live.
Estamos
This
en
is
vivo.
case number Z as in zebra, 805-871, People versus Rodrigo Philadelphia Perez. And Mr. Perez is charged operating while intoxicated. First offense.
Esto es el caso de Z805871, las personas en contra de Roderico Fidelfo Pérez. El cargo es que estabas conduciendo bajo influencia y es el primero delito.
Sí, correcto.
Yes, correct.
So on December 10th of 2019, Judge Coleman sentenced him for and in the absence of Judge Christina Robinson. And it was a 1-year sentence, fines and costs of $1,090. Attend and complete victim impact panel, AA once a week, attend and complete alcohol highway safety education level 1, not use or possess any illegal substance, outpatient treatment until medically discharged in writing.
En el 10, let me just go ahead with that information. El 10 de diciembre 2019 estuviste enfrente del juez Coleman, que estaba era un sustituto para la juez Christina Robbins. Tuviste una sentencia de 1 año y una multa de $1,000.90. Tuviste que no usar ningún alcohol, andar una clase de víctimas, andar a clases de AA cada semana, y cumplir un curso de seguridad cuando conduciendo, y también tener tratamiento fuera de ser internado y tenés que tener un alta de salud. Okay, I got to where he was medically discharged.
Okay, thank you. So, and he was not supposed to consume alcoholic beverages.
Y no tenías que consumir ninguna bebida alcohólica.
He had to pay the assessment fee.
Tenías que pagar la multa de evaluación.
So, Ms. Smith, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Monica Smith for Rodrigo Perez Perez.
Soy Monica Smith para Rodrigo Pérez Pérez.
P73439.
P7439.
And could the representative from the probation department please put his appearance on the record?
Y que el representante de tiempo probatorio puede testificar.
Joseph Thomas on behalf of the probation department.
Could you repeat that?
Representando el tiempo probatorio.
Judge, can you repeat his name?
His name is Joseph Thomas for the probation department.
Él se llama Joseph Thomas. Es del Departamento de Libertad Condicional o Tiempo Probatorio.
So I had extended his probation.
Voy a alargar la libertad condicional.
And provided a discharge date of April 1st.
Y voy a entregar una fecha de el alta para el 1 de abril.
And today, when I originally adjourned it, he was in custody with ICE.
Y hoy, cuando tuve el original aplazamiento, estaba en la custodia de ICE.
So I also received from the probation department
También recibí de la oficina de tiempo probatorio
a request for show cause for his failure to enroll in twice monthly random urine analysis.
If I may on that one,
Entonces
Your Honor.
tenemos que hacer causa probable en por qué es que él no tuvo las evaluaciones de orina que eran 2 veces por semana.
So if I may, Your Honor, we were actually going to withdraw that. It appears there's some confusion over the defendant's name. I have on all my documents Rodrigo, spelled Rodeerido. They have him as Rodrigo.
Su señoría, me parece que eso fue en un error porque teníamos otro cliente que tenía el nombre de Rodrigo.
So that would cause the confusion because when I attempted to search for Rodrigo Perez, it came up with nothing.
Entonces, esto puede ser que era la causa de la confusión porque yo estaba buscando para Rodrigo Pérez. Continue.
Now, I know he was ordered originally to test once weekly. However, it appears he was at JAM set up for twice monthly. He has been testing though, and he has been clean. So that is no longer a concern on my part. I don't know if we need to adjust the testing to get him to the once a week that originally was ordered, but he has been doing twice a month random screenings. He's been clean. I did have another.
Evaluaciones una vez por semana, y después la JAMS quiso que serían 2 veces por mes y todas las muestras eran limpias. Entonces, por esa confusión, yo estoy pensando que siempre trató de tener muestras limpias que se puede reducir, de no continuar con una vez por semana. Excuse me, the interpreter would like you to continue.
The probation department was a little concerned, as it appears before, actually, Your Honor, apparently going to be on your docket. He had 2 misdemeanors that were entered into JIS on December 23rd for driving while license not valid and no insurance, because he was in some type of accident in Detroit.
Y también la oficina de libertad condicional tenía una preocupación que él tenía 2 delitos menores reportados por JIS en el 23 de diciembre, que estaba con su conduciendo sin licencia válida, sin aseguranza, y pareció que pasó un accidente.
I also wanted to make sure that Mr. Perez was attending AA and outpatient treatment. I hadn't received any proof of that or the victim impact count.
Y yo todavía quiero estar asegurado que el señor Pérez está andando a las juntas de AA y para tratamiento, y no tengo ninguna prueba de eso.
There's also a balance of $1,090.
The interpreter did not hear that last statement. There was some background noise.
Sorry. There's still an outstanding balance being showed owed on this case of $1,090.
Y todavía hay una suma en la cuenta que se debe, que es $1,090.
And perhaps the payment was made and hadn't posted when I had last checked GIS. And sometimes due to COVID, we've been paying online. It takes a bit slow. I don't know if we've made any recent payments.
Interpreter apologizes. Can you repeat that statement, please?
Yes, I didn't really get it either.
I wouldn't have a problem if you took your mask.
And there's like a printer going or something. There's some background noise.
So just to repeat, there was a balance owed of 1,090 on this case that was still owed as of, I believe it was this Monday. I printed that off. I don't know if Mr. Perez had made a payment recently online and it hasn't posted yet. I know that's been taking a few days in some instances, but that's what it was showing as of Monday.
Entonces la suma que se ve de $1,090 fue algo que yo encontré el lunes. Entonces, no sé si el acusado ha hecho un pagamento online desde el lunes, pero esa cuenta todavía se ve.
So I do have the 2 new cases and they're not scheduled for arraignment until April 5th.
Entonces yo tengo los 2 nuevos casos y la leída de cargos no va a ser hasta el 5 de abril.
So with regard to the 2 new cases,
Entonces con los 2 nuevos casos,
are you asking me to violate him for these?
entonces
I know
¿va
that they're-
a ser una violación para estos?
I wanted to bring them to the court's attention, Your Honor. I understand that they're still pending, so I would not ask to violate him at this time. I did want to enter them into the record because of those dates. We have the discharge date on this case for April 1st, and they're scheduled for April 5th, and they're both misdemeanors.
Entonces yo solo quiero que la corte reconoce que estos casos están pendientes y la leída de cargos para estos casos no es hasta el 5 de abril y el alta para el caso que estamos discutiendo hoy es el 1 de abril. Entonces yo solo quiero entregar en la acta que estos casos están pendientes.
So, Ms. Smith, I can arraign him now on these 2 misdemeanors and give him a pretrial date. That'll be before the review date, and then we'll see if they can be resolved before the review date.
Entonces, señorita Smith, yo puedo hacer la leída de cargos hoy. Así le damos una fecha por prejuicio, que sería para estos delitos menores, que sería antes del juicio próximo.
So there are actually 3 tickets.
Entonces, actualmente hay 3 etiquetas.
So they would be SP 112-19101, People versus Rodrigo, and it is Dio, I don't know why. Philadelphia, Perez, and it's accident drove without due care or caution.
El caso es SP 1121-9101. Es las personas en contra de Rodrigo Filadelfio Pérez. Es que estaba conduciendo descuidado y causó un accidente.
And then SP 112-19111, People versus Perez, drove while license not valid.
Y SP 1121-9111, las personas en contra de señor Pérez estaba conduciendo sin licencia válida.
And SP 112-19112, no insurance.
SP 1121-9112, sin aseguranza.
You see?
So, Ms. Smith, would he stand mute and waive formal reading, and I'll schedule these for pretrial hearing?
Entonces, señora Smith, él puede mantener silencio, así hacemos la leída formal.
I have a question. If the arraignment went forth instead on April 5th, would that affect the current matter that we're here for?
Entonces, tengo una pregunta. Si la leída de cargos esperábamos hasta el 5 de abril, ¿afectaría estos casos que estamos aquí hoy?
So he would have normally been arraigned in December, but because we closed the court,
Normalmente tendría la leída de cargos en diciembre, pero el corte estaba cerrado.
it was rescheduled. The operative date is the incident date, which is October 7th of 2020.
Entonces, sería la fecha de conducción que era entregada el 7 de octubre 2020.
So once again, due to COVID, has, the fact that his arraignment date is outside of the review date is unfortunate.
Entonces, por el caso de COVID, que la leída de cargos fue fuera de la fecha de evaluación, eso es algo desafortunado.
Okay. I mean, I'm just wondering with that. I do believe that the charges will be reduced, but I'm just wondering how it will affect this case if he were to be arraigned now versus if he were to be arraigned April 5th. It seems like if he were arraigned.
Ms. Smith, the arraignment doesn't operate as an adjudication.
Yo lo que pregunto es, no entiendo si esta leída de cargos lo hacemos ahora, cómo puede afectar el caso que estamos en aquí ahora en contra de estos cargos que son pendientes.
We can go ahead.
Okay, but for the closure, he would have been arraigned already.
Pero si no fue por la cerradura, ya hubo tendido los cargos antes. La leída de cargos fueron hechos antes.
Tuesday, February 2nd for arraignment. I'm sorry, for pretrial. 8:30 in the morning.
So he
va a tener un prejuicio. La fecha es el 2 de febrero a las 8:30 de la mañana el martes.
Sorry, can you repeat that? You said the pretrial for these three cases are
February
going to
2nd, next Tuesday.
Okay.
Sí, entonces, disculpas, él es el prejuicio para estos tres cargos, va a ser el 2 de febrero. Sí.
So at that point, the people will make some kind of an offer.
Y en ese momento, las personas pueden hacerle una oferta.
And will that be at 8:30 in the morning?
¿Y eso va a ser a las 8:30 de la mañana?
8:30. Personal bond on all three matters.
Sí, 8:30 en la mañana y una fianza personal para todos estos asuntos.
So do I need to modify his probation order today to reflect that he can test every 2 weeks?
Entonces yo tengo que modificar este orden de libertad condicional para que tenga evaluación cada 2 semanas.
Probation department is confident if we keep him at twice monthly. He's been clean. He hasn't missed. There was one time where he was only able to complete partial and they had him come back the next day and he did. So I'm comfortable with twice monthly. I think he has shown that.
So
La oficina de libertad condicional está cómodo de acomodarlo, de hacerle evaluaciones 2 veces por mes, porque él siempre tuvo la evaluaciones limpia y alguna vez estaba un poco positivo, pero regresó el día próximo y el texto era limpio.
What else does he have to do?
So the
¿Qué
probation,
tiene que hacer de más?
so the probation department needs proof of AA attendance, victim impact panel, outpatient treatment, and he needs to begin making payments on the balance owed on this case.
Entonces, la Oficina de Libertad Condicional tiene estos obligaciones. Tiene que ir a las juntas de AA, andar a una clase del impacto a víctimas, tiene que tener tratamiento y tiene que empezar a pagar en su cuenta.
So has he been doing outpatient treatment, Ms. Smith?
¿Él estuvo por tratamiento, señorita Smith?
He has not started outpatient treatment. He did, he has done AA meetings.
Él no empezó el tratamiento todavía, pero estuvo andando a las juntas de AA.
What about alcohol highway safety education? Did he?
I have proof of that.
That's done, okay.
Entonces, la educación de alcohol, sí, eso ya fue cumplido. Entonces, eso ya está hecho.
One thing I am gonna add, no driving.
Algo que voy a agregar es que no tenés que manejar, no conducir.
All right, so do you, Mr. Thomas, need any more information from the defendant to contact him or no?
No, I just want to confirm. So Ms. Smith,
Señor
is it,
Thomas, ¿necesita alguna otra información del acusado?
so Ms. Smith, is it easier if I just communicate with you via email still, and if anything he has done, you can forward to me? Would that be the best way?
Yes,
to
you can. Exactly. You can email me or you can call me. Email is probably better, but feel free to call me whenever you need to.
Entonces, señorita Smith, la mejor manera de contacto sería correo electrónico o te puedo llamar. Sí, tú puedes mandarme correo electrónico o llamarme. El correo electrónico resulta mejor.
And probation is satisfied, Your Honor.
Y la libertad condicional está satisfecha.
I had not actually issued a show cause, so we're fine with that.
Yeah, I withdraw that, Your Honor. That appears to be some confusion over what the defendant's legal name is, but he has been testing as he was directed by Jams. I can't hold that against him when there's confusion as to his name.
Entonces, yo no tengo que hacer ver una causa probable. No, eso no es necesario. Nosotros en JAMS hubo confusión con el nombre y el nombre de otro. Todas las evaluaciones de él fueron cumplidos.
The only thing I would add, Your Honor, is I would encourage Mr. Perez to enter into outpatient treatment ASAP, because the order does state until medically discharged. And sometimes these outpatient treatment programs, they typically take about 3 months. And we're counting down the days now to that discharge date. So I'd like, if Mr. Perez can get into with Latino Family Services, I believe that was the original referral. If he needs a new one, I'll send it to his training.
Entonces, nosotros queremos en la Oficina de Libertad Condicional es que el señor Pérez se tiene que entregar para tratamiento. Tiene que cumplir el tratamiento hasta que le dan la alta de salud antes de esta fecha. Y los días se están contando, todos los días hay menos tiempo. Y esto tarda 3 meses, el tratamiento fuera de hospital.
Mr. Thomas, please forward me that referral.
Por favor, señor Thomas, me puede mandar esa referencia para los servicios de servicios latinos.
Okay, so then April 1st is still the proposed discharge date.
Entonces, por ahora, el 1 de abril sería la fecha para darle la alta.
Would it be appropriate then, Your Honor, if we're approaching that discharge date and he has not been discharged by outpatient treatment, to just contact the courtroom after speaking to the attorney, push that back, so we can cross that bridge when we come to it, I understand.
Entonces,
I don't want to extend his probation anymore. Go ahead, I'm sorry to do it.
entonces, ¿te parece que esa fecha se podría cambiar para una semana más por las dudas que él no termina el tratamiento de salud porque necesitamos una alta de salud antes que puede terminar el tiempo probatorio? La juez dijo, no quiero extender o alargar el tiempo probatorio.
All right, then I'll see him for pretrial on those other matters on Tuesday.
Entonces lo voy a ver para esos otros asuntos el martes de la semana que viene.
Okay. All right. Thank you, Ms. Vivian. Thank you, Ms. Smith, Mr. Perez. I'm going to end our call.
Ahora vamos a terminar esta llamada.
Oops.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Ms.
Gracias.
Vivian, putting you in the waiting room for the other Perez. That we have to
Right,
do.
yeah, okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right, Brittany Posey.
I'll bring her in, Judge.
So, Mr. Faulkner, Ms. Posey, this is a review date. It's in compliance. Delayed sentence.
Move to dismiss, Your Honor.
I will as soon as I call the case. We're on YouTube. So this is case number U313-32116, People versus Brittany Tanae Posey. Ms. Posey is charged remaining in park after closing. On October 29th, I did accept her plea, delayed sentence for 3 months. She is in compliance. Good morning, ma'am. Tell me your name, please.
Brittany Posey.
Since she complied, Mr. Faulkner, you want to renew that motion?
Motion to dismiss, Your Honor.
So ordered. Ma'am, you have any questions about what it is I've ordered today?
No,
Okay, then I'm going to end our call. Have a good day.
you too.
All right, let's see. What is Angela Perry?
That might be one that snuck in. That's a different one, Judge.
These are pre-trial.
Yes.
Okay, so Perry is a pre-trial.
You have her file, Judge?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Perry is a pre-trial and there's an offer. She's got unregistered, untitled. Oh, it's a dismissal. You
Yay.
can let her right in. Still on YouTube Live. Case number P as in Paul 1101769. Angela Denise Perry, the charge is unregistered, untitled vehicle. Have a motion from the city attorney to dismiss on a stiff of probable cause. And good morning, counsel.
Morning, Your Honor. Stipulate the probable cause. Paul Faulkner, representing defendant.
You know, I'm not certain, but I think there was a warrant, so I will waive the warrant fee on this. And can you tell me, she doesn't. While my clerk's making sure you don't owe anything, can you just state your name for the record, ma'am?
Angela Denise Perry.
don't see anything, Judge.
Okay, so you should be all set, ma'am. Have a good day. I'm gonna end our call.
So everything is taken care of now?
Correct.
Okay, thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
All right, so now Patty. And this is violation of the governor's executive order from May 6th. Connecting audio.